Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure.
and keep hacking.
Welcome back, and let's solve another CTF today. Today we will be covering the challenge Can You See? This video is a part of picoCTF series for which I have made an entire sheet with a walkthrough link, their category, the challenge name, as well as the difficulty so that it will be easier for you to track and complete the challenges. Now, let's get back to the challenge. So in this challenge, we are not given much of the info. So let's directly download the file. So let's see if we have the file, and we got the file UK reality. Let's see if there are any revealed flags in the image itself. But as you can see, there aren't. So let us follow our checklist and run the file command. We can see that it has JPEG image data, which is pretty normal. So next one is strings, and we will filter out based on picoCTF, which is the flag format, and no results in this as well. In our next checklist, we have exif tool. We can check various metadata in this. So now in all the other things, we do not find anything as such except attribution URL. You can see this does not look like URL but like a base 64 which is encoded. So let us try to decode it. So we can use echo command, then the key, and then base 64. But yeah, we have to use -d to decode, and we got the flag. So we can run it again and copy the flag, copy, and then we can paste it, and we have successfully completed the challenge. If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.